So, that's the arse end ready for its second go at being flattened out a bit. It looks a lot better than the first one. And I thought, while that was drying, I'd just nip off and order up the next batch of paint, just so we got it all in the same shade, etc. So we go in the paint shop, and I say to hello mister, can you order me up a batch of this 040 2-pack white? Oh, we got it on the shelf. Have you? What in? Oh, we got it all in little separate cans here. Have you? Have you got any batch numbers on it? Do you know if it all came from the same batch? What? Was it all made on the same day? Oh, I don't know. Right, okay. So, how do I know that's all exactly 100% mixed the same colour? Oh, I don't know. Right, okay then. So, I could be painting the car 3 different shades of white then, really. Oh, I don't know. Right, okay then. So, you got any big empty cans? Oh yeah, we got big empty cans. Right. Well, I better start emptying this lot into this big empty can. So at least whatever comes out of this big empty can is going to be the same bloody shade. Oh, it's funny here. Really funny. So there you go, a little quickie on paint. Later.